Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Inji Tane Leri. Azam, who has a happy life with his wife and two children, is a literature teacher loved by his students. His life changes completely in a single night as he goes to prison for killing his wife. However, the reality is different. Azam has a secret that he cannot tell anyone. Azam, who has spent several years between two four walls, has only one goal when he gets out of prison: to find his children and to sit on a dinner table with them again. But this will not easy at all. Number 9. Bahar. Bahar, 20 years ago, graduated from medical school but chose to be a housewife instead of pursuing a career in medicine. She is married to a successful surgeon, Taimur Yavuzolu, and has dedicated her life to her husband and children. The seemingly happy Yavuzolu family is shaken by Bahar's illness. Bahar's doctor, Avran, is determined to save her and says that the only solution is a liver transplant. The only compatible liver in the family belongs to Tamur. For the Yavuzolu family, who are tested with a major threshold, nothing will be the same again. Number 8. Kizil Gonja Lad. Kizil Gonja Lad tells the poignant story of Mariam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of the Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Mariam must first earn money as a career in the home of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 7. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems. Paying for his mistake with his life, left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the women who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. Number 6. Sandi Kakusu. Karsu is a woman in an unhappy marriage. Her husband Riha is an abusive man and useless father. So when Karsu gives birth to their third child, she realizes that she can't take care of all the children on her own. She sends her 3-year-old son Kuze to Istanbul to stay with her mother Filiz for a while. However, on the journey to Istanbul, Kuze goes missing. After 3 years of searching, Karsu happens upon Kuze on a trip to Mersin. Karsu is relieved to be reunited with her son. However, Kuze, who now goes to Deniz, does not recognize her. Karsu will have to fight to win her son back whilst dealing with her challenging family situation. Number 5. Yabani. Yabani follows the remarkable journey of Ali, who was abducted as a boy and ended up working for the gang that kidnapped him. After enduring years of hardship, Ali renames himself Yaman and escapes his captors to build a new family, better life together with his three friends. Things are not easy at all for this new family, but they work hard and are able to leave their dark past behind. Through it all, Yaman somehow manages to keep his soul pure and never succumbs to the darkness that surrounds him. Things get complicated when Yaman meets Ruya, a beautiful girl from the rich side of town. Her boyfriend nearly overdosed, and it's up to Yaman to save him. Number 4. Sasiyat. Aga, who is retired, is in his 60s and he lives an ordinary life. Nevra, on the other hand, is policewoman working in the homicide department. Aga and Nevra, who have walked in different paths of life through their entire lives, do not have a clue that they have actually been approaching each other. Although Aga lost his wife years ago and he lives in one of the apartments in the building he owns, he is both respected and loved by those who are near him. However, Aga will change his life fundamentally with the news he learns from his doctor, and when his doctor and grandson who will live abroad come to live with him, the tranquility of his life will be lost completely. Number 3. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasamin, but when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Number 2. Khan Chichikleri. Khan Chichikleri tells the moving story of Dilan and Baran and the marriage they are forced into to end a blood feud despite the hostility of those around them, igniting a passion that will either blossom into love and bring devastation. Baran must put aside hatred of his enemies to save his brother and overcome the guilt he feels over an attack that killed his mother as he seeks to bring peace to a family buying for revenge. Destiny comes calling when Baran's uncle reveals he has tracked down those who attacked his parents. But his uncle hides a terrible secret. He is lying a trap and is actually the person behind the attack, hoping to get his hands on the family fortune if Baran were to take revenge and go to prison. When Baran finds himself incapable of killing and his brother volunteers for the task, he realizes the only way to end the feud is to marry the daughter of his nemesis. Number 1. Thank you next. After a painful breakup, a young lawyer dives headfirst into the confusing world of modern dating with the unwavering support of our best friends. If you like our videos, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. If you like our videos, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.